Hello everyone, it's Mr. Wolfe here, and in this video I am going to be introducing the biomolecule protein. So protein is made out of the same elements as carbohydrates and lipids, carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, but it's also made up of the element nitrogen as well. So types of food that are high in protein, we can see them all in the picture here. It's going to be meat, so chicken, steak, pork, fish, eggs, and nuts. These are all going to be foods that are high in protein. So what's the function of protein in organisms? There's two main ones. The first being structure. So for instance, your hair is made out of protein, the protein keratin. Your muscles are made up of protein fibers. That's when you work out and you have a protein shake, you are trying to get more protein that will hopefully become the muscles that you're building up after working out. Another huge function is enzymes. May not have heard of this term before, but enzymes get stuff done. Like they do the things in your body that allow you to live. So, all right, what does that mean by getting stuff done? In a simple sense, it just means that they're speeding up chemical reactions in your body. But without them, these chemical reactions couldn't take place as fast as they need to keep you alive. And we're going to be going into this for a decent portion of the unit as well. So this is just an introduction. But here we have this, this would be maltose. It's a type of sugar that you might eat. And an enzyme is going to come by, attach to it, and then break it up into glucose so you could absorb it into your bloodstream. So without these enzymes, you wouldn't be able to digest sugar and get it for energy. All right, so let's talk about the structure of proteins. All right, the monomer, the building block unit, is going to be an amino acid. So I always like to just represent this as a circle. All right, here's what the actual molecule looks like right here. This R right here is called the R group. It just means that depending on your amino acid, you're going to have a different R group here. Now, there are just 20 amino acids, all right? 11 your body can make on its own, but there are 9 that your body can't make, and you still need them. So you need to get them from food. We call these essential amino acids. So there's 20 different R groups here to make the 20 different amino acids. But again, we don't really need to worry about these details too much. We represent an amino acid as just a circle right here. So that's our monomer, that's our building block. And then if we take a bunch of those amino acids, we make the polymer of protein, which is just called a protein. Peptide's the fancy word, but you'll never hear me say it in this class. Protein is the polymer of a protein. So that's kind of an easy one to remember. And again, it's just a bunch of amino acids linked together. And this is how we'll draw it. Thanks for watching. Stay in school.